In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a credit note in Zoho Books. We're going to walk through this process together, breaking it down into simple, understandable steps so you can manage your finances with ease. Let's start by navigating to the left sidebar of your Zoho Books dashboard. You should see a section labeled Sales. Go ahead and click on Sales, and it should drop down a list of options for you. Among these options, you'll find Credit Notes. Select that, and we'll move on to creating your new credit note. Once you're on the Credit Notes page, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice a button labeled Plus New. Alternatively, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can simply press C followed by N. This is the starting point for entering your new credit note. Now comes the part where we fill in the details. First, you'll need to specify the customer associated with this credit note. This is crucial, as it ensures the credit note is directed to the correct account. After you've selected the customer, move on to the date field. The date on the credit note should reflect when the credit is being issued, so take a moment to ensure you've got the correct date marked down. Next, we need to dive into the specifics of the items included in the credit note. Start entering the necessary details, beginning with the items themselves. Describe each item clearly and accurately. Good descriptions not only help with internal records, but also ensure your client knows exactly what each credit note covers. Continue by entering the amount associated with each item. If there are taxes that apply, be sure to include these as well. This accuracy is not just a requirement for creating credit notes in Zoho Books, but also a good habit for maintaining financial clarity. Once you have diligently filled in these fields, it's time to decide how you want to save your work. Zoho Books provides you with two different options here. If you're not quite ready to post the credit note immediately, you can click Save as Draft. This option is perfect if you're still waiting on some final details, or just need a moment to review before committing to the final document. However, if you're confident that everything is correct and you're ready for this credit note to be active in your system, select Save as Open. This action will post the credit note immediately, ensuring it's included in your financial records. And there you have it. You've successfully created a credit note in Zoho Books. By following these steps, you can manage and adjust client transactions smoothly and with confidence. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to subscribe for more useful tutorials.